Let's check if there's a stereo speakers on Realme GT 7 Pro. So first of all, we'll need to pick up our phone and then try to find all of the speakers. And the first one is on top of our screen right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Next will be located on the bottom of our device right here, and that is all of them. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we need to play some music and then cover each of those speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, that means this device doesn't have it. Now let's try it out. Okay, and clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, which confirms that this device does have the stereo speakers.